BBG cars.
What's up, BBG team? Today we're going to go and cut a catalytic converter up, and we're going to get the stuff out of the inside so the exhaust can flow better, and then we're going to go take care of that because we have a flow issue with this car. Okay, so we're going to need a couple things to do this with, and I'll show you what they are. We're going to need a cutoff tool like this one, welder, welding helmet, always safety, some hammers right there, marking pen, and welding rod. This time for this project we're going to use stainless steel, okay? And the catalytic converter is right here. We're going to cut it here and cut it here, okay? Get this piece out and get this piece out, and the catalyst is inside. We're going to get it out of there. Alright? So before we start, we're going to cut a reference line here, or actually this way, so we know how to clock. So we know how to clock this thing this way or that way, okay? So that the pipe here is in a funky direction, okay? And here, when I weld it. All right. So for now, I'm going to get this thing started. I'm going to get this piece cut off, and then I'll get right back with you guys, okay?
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living.
Always wear safety glasses when you're doing this work.
It's been turning kind of gray in Southern California, but I'm allergic to the rain. What happened to euphoria?
Okay, this is the catalyst material we have to remove out of this system to clear it because it's obstructed.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of
Well, since this was the inside of the pipe, there's our clog right there. See that? Nothing here, but here's our issue. So this catalytic was bad.
It's been turning kinda gray in Southern California, but I'm allergic to the rain. What happened to euphoria? Don't worry about it, don't worry about a damn thing. I'm too excited, got liquor with the palm trees. It's all or nothing, it's all or nothing.
Just to let y'all know, there is titanium in here and it's very precious metal, so we're gonna have to save it. Okay, cutting the other side now.
It's that West Coast point of view, easy when it's always summertime. You and I, every act.
Perfect cut. Now we get this out. To get this out, we're gonna have to drill this and break it up. Let's try to pound this thing out first. I'm gonna give it a try.
Easy when it's always summertime. You and I, every act to do. Who cares what the people Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Oh, come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living. It's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime. You and I, every act to do. Who cares what the people think? It's been turning kinda gray in Southern California.
Some YouTubers call this the wheel of death. That's kind of funny. So we're gonna give it a try now.